Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Finding Your Spot in the World, a story about diversity. Hi, my name is Spot. I'm not just ordinary Spot. I'm here to help you find your spot in the world. What does that mean? But the world is so big. There are millions of people in this world. We all look different, act different, and like different things. We each have tough challenges, individual talents, and unique strengths that makes us who we are. I know sometimes it may feel like you don't belong or fit in, but we have a special spot in the world, and our difference can make the world a better place. That is the amazing thing about diversity. If everyone was the same, that wouldn't be fun at all. Imagine that having the same color crayon in the crayon box. How could you create a beautiful rainbow? That's why I'm here, for you to discover what makes you unique and how we can all grow together. Being different comes in all shapes and sizes. Some differences you can see, and some differences you can. You may see someone with different colored skin or hair, but we all want to feel accepted and confident in ourselves. You may see someone with different eyes, but we all cry tears and feel pain when someone is unkind. You may see someone with a way of doing different things, but we all want to create something beautiful. You may hear someone with a different voice or accent, but we all can say nice things to each other. You may see someone that communicates differently, but we all want a chance to share information and express ourselves. You may see someone with different hands, but we all can give a high fives or help someone up when they have fallen down. You may see someone move differently, but we all want to go places and explore. You may see someone with a different skill or talent, but we all want to do something we love when we grow up. Your differences may stand out, and so might the differences of others, but the world needs them. We need diverse ideas, diverse talents, and diverse perspectives. Each person has a special spot in this world. What is yours? I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!